Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can change the language of WhatsApp app to English on your iPhone. Friends, please subscribe to the channel. Be sure to write comments under the video and put your likes under this video. And let us get down to our topic today. And in order to change the language of the WhatsApp app, for example, I have it in Korean, and if I want to change it to English, unfortunately, I can't do it in WhatsApp itself. To do that, you have to exit the app, go to your phone settings on your iPhone, and then you can scroll down until you find the WhatsApp app. Open it up, and at the bottom you can find the language section. And up here at the top will be the languages that you already have added. And search there for English in that list. If it's not here, then scroll down and look for English. Now select English, go back out. And now friends, if you go to WhatsApp, you'll see that this app has switched, for example, in my case, from Korean to English. In doing so, I had to translate the entire interface of the phone from one language to another. This is the very simple way, friends, you can change the language of WhatsApp app to English on your iPhone. I really hope this video has helped you. Please put your likes, write your comments, subscribe to our channel, and see you soon.